Big up Crosses TV.
But licking her face, push her face, you must see a dream. I forgot dream and come again.
You must have mad Crosses TV when I look on them. It's a up crazy and mad over me. Them are mad over me, Crosses TV.
You know the blood clot here. I don't want you to kind of win that ticket. You just spend at the back of the blood clot here, and you record the next one, yeah. So if them say a cutie, they link me to you can say, but we record it, she ain't touch you. And the man alone beat you. What are you talking about? Yeah, right. Okay, someone do you ask make him apologize first, and someone. And then you know what? I don't even feel like you should put the video out first. Say the story first, how it goes, and then make them come on there and see if they're gonna lie about it. And then if they lie, then put out the video. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not putting out the video first. I'm gonna talk about it and say, yeah, and cheese, your son get catch, yeah, and apologize. What? What do you know for them about? Yeah. And you know what? That will just burn every single one of them, and then the drop will just go down because of the fact that cheese has been coming for you for time.
You know, start your class, mama beg him say, don't answer, me deal with it. You feel like him not feelings too? Eh? You so no want to talk, and when people talk back and give no utter word, no want go get physical. Me don't want you get no man for do my pitney nothing. Go to him yourself, stinking cute to make him tear you up like Tony the Tiger. And that you have to do. Go to him yourself and make him tear up you like Tony the Tiger. The fuck you walk a look problem with people you can't fight. Cranny dirty old girl. Eh? More older than you look younger and fresher than you in a blood clot. Nasty woman with your blood clot man fuck out your body and left you. It's not my fault. You start fucking your body too early in the relationship. You make the man fuck out your body and go left you. And gone to a fresh pussy girl right now. Where? Don't you fuck out cutie, you just walk and fuck like you're mad, so you walk and fuck like you're drunk. 1 quarter rum, no chase. That is how you fuck. Nasty cutie, you can't ramp with my pitney. Me know you want to get to me because I deal with the Russian. You put me in the earth, you put my picture in the ground and you feel like say that you know that couldn't work. You know that couldn't work. And each time you rise for me get stronger. And what you nasty woman, eh? You can't make nothing do my pitney. You can't make nothing do my pitney in a real life. Cutie, you just like to gum rub. You like gum rub and you goody. The Batman they were named Goody. You a Batman and you a plot against my pitney if you want Cutie get man and on a video. On a sad, you know? On a sad. Me nah ask a too terrible and sab the little blood clot boy they. Someone Uno don't get no man and Uno go face him. Uno. What the fuck could not go get man involved blood clot for traumatize the child? Yeah? When you see man with gun, him now go be blood clot gently for just a flick shot, so. No, girl. Go to him yourself, cause you're bad. Go to him yourself. Apologize to this big stinking pussy. Who you? You're mad? Yes, unless I know my pitney blood clot that. Apologize to who? Apologize to who? Cutie, you hurt by just listening to the voice note there. Guys, I put all peace side for my story. The fuck you get man involved and it's a whole girl war. You claim to say, alright then. Remember now, you get the child involved, you know. You never stop by from the child name until your blood clot get the attention from the child, you know. So when you get the attention from the child and the child angle you, she and her friend them. Why you getting in your skin for that? So you want to do blood clot puss. I say you want to do everybody where you and them in an argument verbally. But girl, one thing me I tell you, if you make a strand of blood clot ear for my child head, blood clot hurt it. Me now ask Cutie anything in the book for do. Me I do it and get rid of blood clot. You me not run a joke. I'm not hide and talk, me I talk you brawling. You hide and do your thing. You never know you get record. You never did know say you did get record. So good girl, nobody no like you. You see that? Nobody at all no like you cause me never did for know nothing about this. Me never did for know nothing about this, you know. But me know about it because guess what? Me and my child is God bless. A little boy never blood clot trouble you. And you never stop at your inner skin and your body, who and your body, do and your body this. And your two little girl them suck them own pussy and them father finger them the blood clot. And nobody in your business. Eh? Nobody else in your business. Cutie, you can't hold a man because the African man that was supposed to frighten for girl with big body and run him run left gun left you with a watery hole. You suck your man hood and then make him, no, your man fuck you and then you suck him hood. In your body hole, a boy fuck you. Them African boy, they don't do pussy. Where? Yeah, the woman is the man, but my child don't do nothing dirty, woman. My child don't do nothing. Every time you hear in a
Yeah,
you
mother.
man a call the blood. What going on, Emily?
How you go, mother?
The security say she a plot for get people to make the
Make
boy
Cutie move out the farm, dirty blood clot, but the Cutie can't see nobody in a blood clot England and touch no blood clot, but if nobody
when
because thinking
Cutie
Cutie
have to
going
get
to
man
ask
to do her
Christ.
work, cause she know my
When
son
I
will keep
ask
up
the
her
devil
blood
dirty
clot.
Cutie, not about
The
your
daughter
Cutie
should
pussy big
say,
and stink no blood.
kick
Me hate
you.
her. She's enough to me hate her a long time, you know what me hate her? I saw her
Yeah.
on Queenie blood clot live. And so and Queenie said, good morning, Emily here now. Which Emily this bap and black me? I don't even know this stretch out pussy now no old blood clot Cutie. I don't
Yeah,
even know
cause she
how to
watch you
black
and that
me.
style and she know who cheer for who. So
Hear about
anybody will
who?
cheer for me,
Hear about
she not in
who?
a them.
Here are who Emily, cheese, Dauta, Bap and Black, Miss Anata don't like her Cutie America if I come on off your stinking but I'll get for rub out your blood clad. Yes, stinking Cutie can't lick nobody over here, so Cutie and not granted your
You think
star
I'm
blood
feeling that
clad.
of them pussy.
Cutie is still real bad.
If them young and have infection like you, mama pass on the dirty terrible disease onto the children is a wicked bitch. You.
I saw them still mother anytime them can't get for doing the things that's for them come for the people them. But go have something for Cutie, Cutie no worry
So
herself.
you gonna get man, you gonna get man to do my make him apologize, and when him
Yeah.
done apologize, they lick him.
But
Big
mother
fool.
you know some of them
The
want
little
company.
class, ooh, that's a cute thing. Big
I say,
fool.
I never want to come from that page. I can't know what people that come watching me around. But you want to come from the Bronx Princess page. But you know, they think I want fake page and black it down.
Not that's all about cutie guys.
See, mother?
Nothing. Cutie that is nobody.
See,
Cutie
mother?
a older woman. You take my picture and plan. You take my picture and bury it in a right place name. Graveyard. And you still never hold me down. You know say, yeah. They are strong and I'm weird and same.
You see me walk up and down with the platter. I know it. Mother, me I say I never want to come from that page and me want to come from the next page. But me I say like you think I want fake page and black it.
No, no black
Eh?
nothing. They don't black nothing.
The Bronx Princess page of course they black it because you think I want fake page.
They no black it no one. Can't tell talking more now. You just black it
Yes,
like
sir. But that's written in there. But Cutie, mother, they need to do something because Cutie them can't run.
nah, beat up myself. I might pick it up in a way I say Emily. And
No
I
meaning
run
as
the joke.
no meaning as just attack. Cause she knows
Slaughter
she
what
can.
your big pussy girl may make you know. Straight it on. Once you make a blood clot strand of ear, hurting my baby head. You man?
Here you go.
You fucking brighty bitch.
Cutie life has stretched.
Boy, you come about blood clot, me cutie. And this are gonna cause all of the problem them. Hold on guys. This, yeah. Cutie go find a head out cause the African boy we used to get the link for the scamming them him gone. Say you can't scam nobody else again. So good old girl, old face girl. Old face cutie. Nana belly button cutie. Come suck up me and my blood clot child hole. Yeah. A babe, me go babe no girl.
You go up on the road.
Yeah, me go up on the road and finish. Get up the rest of things them for my Christmas stuff.
I lie, you keep Christmas.
Yeah, my have to keep Christmas card fire in me
I
there.
lie, data come.
Yeah, cute and girly. After the
Yes.
Christmas.
I
And then we have kids now the Christmas. Go on a jingle bell now rocking a your blood clot world, dirty blood clot cutie. And it's almost the
jingle bell,
25th of December. Girl, bye.
what you say,
Boy,
mother?
you come boy, you shine, you
Mother, you come
brighty.
Christmas
You
dinner and them
fucking
something too.
brighty.